So in this video, we're going to run through a quick comparison of Roger AI and compare it to LeadLoft to see which tool is best for outbound sales for your team. Let's get into it. So this is Roger AI. And just to start you off, it does cost a pretty penny. It's $600 to start. That doesn't include any actual prospecting. So you're actually looking at $1,000 per month for it to automatically prospect on your behalf. LeadLoft, on the other hand, is cheaper. It's going to cost you $400 per month, and that includes AI prospecting, all the AI features, and unlimited prospecting as well. So just to compare, it's $1,000 versus $400. Now let's look at the features that Roger AI has. We'll go to features here. Essentially, it will find leads for you. Again, for that $1,000 package, it will prospect on your behalf, write emails, personalize them, etc. Do the homework there, scroll down, and basically just runs the outreach and automatically follows up. So to put it simply, it basically goes out and it prospects for you. Then it runs outreach on your behalf, and that's it. So it's really simple, a really straightforward tool, and it's going to cost you $1,000 per month. In comparison, LeadLoft offers all of this at that $400 per month price point, and it does the same thing. So I can hop in here, I can go to playbooks, I can click new playbook on the top right, click AI prospector, and I can just type in the prospect I want to go after. Let's just say VPs of sales located in maybe San Francisco, SF. Now, if there's any spelling errors, it really doesn't matter. The AI will be able to solve that and figure it out for you. Now we need to build out that playbook, right? Are we going to build it by hand, or we can use AI as well? Let's just go ahead and use AI. So now we have some prompt templates here. We'll go with outbound lead gen. Then for our pitch, we'll just say we help companies scale faster using AI. There we go. We help companies scale faster with AI sales agents. We'll click generate with AI, and then we'll give it a moment here. And now it's going to start building a playbook in the background. So it's going to have email steps, LinkedIn steps, calling tasks, etc. And then once you have this, you can really customize it to your liking. So there we go. You can see here the AI actually recognizes we have email steps. So it opens up with Bounce Shield that can verify catch all emails. So if LeadLoft finds any unverifiable emails, you can use Bounce Shield to verify them, which is a really cool feature. Obviously, it's personalized here to the first name, to the company name, etc. We have calling tasks, email follow-ups, LinkedIn connection requests, automated LinkedIn messages. So it looks pretty good. We can go ahead and click use playbook, and there we go. Now, essentially the way this works is if you want to kick it off, you can just click start playbook. And when you do, what's going to happen is in the background, AI agents are going to go out and search for companies and contacts that match your description here. If they match it, we'll save their contact information, meaning their email and their phone number, and then we'll add them to this playbook and start engaging them automatically. And just so you know, every time we save that email, we do verify it in real time. But if you want to use a more advanced level of verification, you can use Bounce Shield here, which can verify unverifiable emails. So that's how it works. You set it up, just click start, and the AI agents go out, prospect on your behalf, and start engaging them in this playbook. Really simple, really straightforward. And the last thing with this is Roger AI obviously does outbound sales, but it doesn't do anything beyond that. So you still will need a CRM or something else that tells you how to follow up, etc. If you're using LeadLoft, what's really cool is you can build a playbook like this. I go back to playbooks. I have one here called Deal Follow-Up, and you can use these for following up. You don't only need to use them for running outbound sales. So you can see the trigger up here is manual. So it's kind of a manual playbook. And what I can do is I can go to our pipeline here, and I could create some filters. Maybe the filters are status is follow-up, and maybe the owner is me, right? And if I want to make it really easy, I can save this, and it will create a quick view. And when you're ready, just click save after you name it. I already have one here, but if I go over here to my quick views, I can just click follow up. And now what I'm going to see is all of my deals where I need to follow up with them, right? And now what's cool is I have that playbook. I can hop in here. I can select all of them if I want to, and then just enroll them in that playbook. You can see there's my deal follow up playbook. Now I can just go over, click enroll, and we'll automatically start engaging them across email, across LinkedIn, and so forth. And the last thing with all of this is obviously LeadLoft syncs communication. So of course you have your inbox where we're going to sync email and LinkedIn communication. So if you want, you can hop in here and track what's going on, write emails, write with AI. So it's a really powerful platform. LeadLoft's going to handle everything from prospecting to outreach to tracking, which means you don't need other tools. LeadLoft's really built to be an all-in-one solution, which means if you're running sales, you can run everything, automated outreach, automatic follow-ups, deal tracking, etc. from one platform. You don't need all these complicated integrations or complicated enrichment tools. LeadLoft is capable of doing all of that. So there's my review of Roger AI. If you're looking for just a simple tool to automate outreach, Roger AI looks like a pretty great tool. It is just pretty expensive at the $1,000 price point. Of course, you could do the same exact thing with LeadLoft and just use the AI prospecting and save yourself $600 per month. So if you're looking for an AI tool to prospect on your behalf and automate outreach, LeadLoft is obviously the more powerful solution. So hopefully it's helpful. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me or my team. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.